Nagpur latest development in property. Major real estate developments in Nagpur are driven by the large-scale infrastructure project, including the new Nagpur International Business and Financial Center. You know aware about the IBFC and the CCD, a central commercial district, the multi-modal international cargo hub, and the airport Mihan and metro expansion. The project have transformed the property landscape, increasing residential and commercial demand, especially in areas like Hingna, Jamta, Wada Road, Shankar Pupanjri. Actually, these are the locations are the very popular in a Nagpur property as key developments of the Nagpur IBFC, International Business and Financial Center (IBFC), and the Nagpur Metropolitan Regional Development Authority (NMRDA) is developing an international business and financial center on 1710 nearby Hingna. The project is modeled after the Mumbai Bandra Kurla complex, BKC, and Gujarat's Gift City. Actually, these projects are similar, like BKC and the Gift City of the Gujarat. Also, IBFC is called as a CCD, a Central Commercial District. It is being developed on a plug and play model with a state of the art infrastructure like underground utility tunnels, automated waste collection, and a district cooling system. The IBFC will create dedicated space for IT firms, a startup, and commercial and residential commercial offices driven significant demand for the both residential and commercial properties in the region. The project has secured 11,300 crore in the funding from the Housing and Urban Development Corporation (HUDCO). Mihan and airport expansion. The multimodal international cargo hub and airport at Nagpur, Mihan continues to be a key driven of growth, attracting major investment from IT and logistic companies, including TCS and Infosys. Right now, these are the companies are working in the Mihan, like TCS is there, Infosys is there. The airport, the expansion of the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport is also increasing the passenger and the cargo traffic, enhancing the city global connectivity. These developments have made Mihan an adjacent area highly desirable for residential and commercial development, with a growth and demand for residential flags from working professionals. As everyone know about the second phase of metro connectivity and expansion, Nagpur Metro, including the recently proposed Phase 3 Sitabardi Koradi corridor, is boast deemed. If you know about the second phase of metro, then you should know about the third phase of metro. The third phase of metro is going to the Sitabardi Koradi corridor, is boosting demand and the property rates in connected suburbs. Nagpur Mumbai Samruddhi Mahamarg Expressway has also improved connectivity, reducing the travel time and attracting investment in plotting development along its route. High-rise residential growth. The Nagpur Municipal Corporation has approved 296 high-rise projects in 50-meter and above in the current financial year, a notable increase from the previous year. The indicates a shift towards modern residential and mixed use development. Prominent developers like Venganga Realties, like Godrej Properties, Mahindra Lifespace, and other the developing projects explore the different segments. Emerging real estate hotspot is like a Hingna. This industrial hub is said to be a sea majors boom due to the new IBFC project located in the Hingna Taluka. As IBFC is also known as a CCD, a Central Commercial District, is very prominent project for a new Nagpur, a very boostable project for a Hingna Taluka, and the area is elongating interest from the investor for upcoming township like Jamta. With its proximity to Mihan and the international airport, Jamta is a rapidly growing hotspot with many residential projects and the plotted development locality strategically located near the outer ring road. Ganga Reality is a My City project, and the Highway Prestige project is rapidly acquiring the large tract of land here for a major project. Besa and different areas. Mohini Park project is growing for Nagpur's development. Mohini Park project developed by the Venganga Realty is a very nice project. Is improving the facilities, the living standard of cities investors. As Vadharu, the prominent transport corridor connecting to the Mihan and the metro is becoming a key commercial and residential regulatory and civic updates. New development plan. The NMC is drafting a new development plan DP for the first time in 25 years with a December 2025 deadline. The plan is expected to guide urban growth and resolving long-standing large land reservation issues, property tax incentives. The NMC is offering up to 20% property tax rebate for a new green buildings to encouraging the eco-friendly construction, land management, the initiative like the extension of the nasal land amnesty scheme and the distributions of land title displays formality and streaming land ownerships and the development. These are the Nagpur's property headlines. These are Nagpur properties development. Now, in the 2025, this is the year in which these are the facilities, all the developments are going to be taken a part of the Nagpur property investor. All the Nagpur property investors which who coming in the Nagpur in this year 2025, who are planning to invest in Nagpur property, who are coming in Nagpur, willing to invest in the best location. So guys, these are the best location. Hingna is the best location before, because this is going to be IBFC and the CCD, a central commercial district in this area. A new Nagpur is developing. Jamtha is going to be a set to be a VCA stadium, a 2.0, just adjacent to the VCA old stadium. And the medical hub is coming to the nearby the NCI and the VCA stadium, Jamtha Vadha Road. This location is going to be a very popular in the future, this property. If you are looking the Vadha Road, if you are looking the Jamtha, Hingna, and these are the locations, then you should buy the property from the Venganga Realty. Is a properly well-known developer company in the Nagpur, the cityscape development. They are developing a property, an MRD sanction. They are developing property approximately a very good development in this property. And you should buy the property. If you are looking at any developing property, if you are looking at any prime property, then you should call Venganga Realities. Just pick a phone and hit a call button now. Thank you so much for watching all the video. This is Sumedh Rao signing off. Thank you so much.